Today we are talking about how to clean refrigerator coils. So on the back side of this refrigerator you can see the inlet and the inlet grill, and then through the grill you can see the coils, and you can see the buildup of dust and debris on there. This one isn't too bad. If you have pets, when the cooling fan turns on and sucks air into that vent on the back of your refrigerator or on the underside, depending on what type of model refrigerator you have, it'll suck in pet hair, human hair, fine dust and debris, bits of, if you have trash on the floor, if you have kids that, throw a little trash on the floor, etc. So it really is vital that at least once a year you roll your refrigerator out away from the wall, clean behind it, and then clean the coils gently in that intake grill. So you need to take off the mounting hardware, usually screws. Make sure you unplug your refrigerator when you do this. Careful of your water line if you have a water line in the back of the fridge. But you carefully remove that back cover. You want to get down there and vacuum out any loose debris and dust. Be very gentle inside here because things are very delicate. You don't want to accidentally damage anything. I'm also checking to make sure the cooling fan is turning while I'm down here. You can see all the dust on that coil. The cooling fan is running. There's your compressor. So I'll shut the power off and gently clean off the dust and debris off that coil. So there again, a shot of the coils that have all been cleaned. And that intake grill is all nice and clean now. So I then plug the refrigerator back in and gently and carefully push it back towards the wall. Here's the tools that I used. You can buy these just about anywhere. If you don't have them, on the left-hand side, you'll notice there's a regular vacuum hose attachment brush. And again, the key thing to remember is be very gentle on the coils. They can get damaged easily. When you're down there, you don't want to accidentally pull out wires, dent or damage something, etc. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.